So this is Pro Open 2 final hit here in Pasig City, Iloilo. Dito lang tayo guys, malayo tayo. Pro Open 2 final hit. Green flag is up. Ayan na, papakanay na. Hole shot, hole shot, hole shot. It's Terence Nabat got the hole shot.
Terence Nabat made a mistake, but still here he goes.
Wow, Terence Nabat versus Ompong Gabriel. Wow, alalala. Wow, grabe, grabe, grabe.
I think top 6.
Wow.
Finding his score.
So it's
Fernandez, the younger from Iloilo. Let's see what he can do.
Terence Nabat, Ompong Gabriel, Clark Coreza, Nonoy Fernandez, Roy Baidet, Michelin, Macklin, Makong, and then Junjun Adlawan. Grabe! Wow! Terence Nabat versus Ompong Gabriel. Wow! Woo! Ayun, no? Terence Nabat versus Ompong Gabriel. Wow! Clark Walesa, Nonoy Fernandez, Riveted, Michelin, Macklin, Makong. Ayun, no? Ayun, no? Wala! Woo! Gandang laman, gandang laman. Ay! Blakpasan, blakpasan. La 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 la. Ompong Gabriel versus Terence Nabat. People. Wow. Wow. Oy! Third na, Noy Fernandez. Wow! Matela first! Noy Fernandez on third, Clark Walesa, Michelin, Rai, Macklin, Makong, and Junjun Adlawan. Ayun, no? Wow. Hala! Nonoy Fernandez. Wow.
What a nice moment.
Yeah, Ompong versus Terence Nabat. Grabe! This is Pro Open 2 final hit here in Pasig City, Iloilo. Tinginan sa ere. Tinginan sa ere. Terence Nabat versus Ompong Gabriel. Grabe. Terence versus Ompong. Nonoy Fernandez, Michelin. Lowest to 50 ay.
So let's see.
Whoa.
Let's see what's what is over landing now.
La.
Wow! Wow!
Grabe!
You know, brother, alam mo, if only the man
Aray! Nagremas yampang! Lala. Ayun, no? Still leading. Still leading. Wala, Terence dapat. Nonoy Fernandez versus Michelin Rivera. Wow!
because Terence Taman is not going to give an inch to him. He had to take this win. Kailangan ng tuloy ito by hook or by crook.
So,
Because Michelin Rivera is following them.
still on the lead. Ay, parang dumidistansya si Terence. Parang dumidistansya si Terence kay Hongkong Gabriel. Oh. Why? Grabe. So, McLean, Makong, Rai, Clark, and then Johnson Adlawan.
Any 2 or 3 seconds
Ayun,
back, but Hawkins and now Michelin.
Still on the lead, Terence Napat. Second Hongkong Gabriel, pero andyan na si Michelin Rivera. Michelin Rivera behind Hongkong Gabriel. Ayun, no? Wow. Grabe. Wow! Ayun, no? Block pass by Michelin Rivera, pero Hongkong Gabriel, hindi gusto yun. Wala, Nonoy Fernandez. McLean,
Maluwag, walang kalaban sa harap.
Terence Napat.
They have to step up.
Unti-unti namang lumalapit si Nonoy Fernandez kay Michelin Rivera.
Okay, nice race. This is right now.
Oh. Michelin almost break away. Wow. Right hit. Wow. Grabe, ganito kalaban. Ang gandang laban.
I think it's gonna be 3-4 seconds. Ang nakasunod is Mitch and Nonoy Fernandez. Okay.
Wow.
Pinilipat ako. At some minute in this race, lahat ng version.
Hi. Hoy. Nonoy Fernandez down third. So, Terence the Warrior on the lead. Ikit ang laban. Nonoy Fernandez versus Michelin Rivera. La la la. Nonoy Fernandez versus Michelin Rivera.
Ayan, ilang laps na, ilang laps. Max, can you send me the laps? Signal. We still have 3 laps to go. So, konti na lang ang natitira sa laps. Malayo pa si Terence Napat.
Terence Napat breakaway. Pero Michelin Rivera versus Nonoy Fernandez. Nandito pa. Ayun, no? Oh.
Sa point na to,
Last 3 laps. Wow, nice cut by Ompong Gabriel. Ay, last 2 laps na, white flag na. White flag na for Terence Napat. White flag for Terence Napat. White flag. Terence Napat. White flag, Michelin Rivera, Nonoy Fernandez. Ayun, no? Oh, Junjun at lawan na yung Clark Calesa, guys. So, waiting for checkered flag. Checkered flag, Terence Napat. Pero magsa-champion ito Michelin Rivera. Wow! Pero Michelin Rivera magsa-champion dito, guys. Peace bump. Oh, checkered.
Maclean Aguilar gets the 4th place.
So champion it's Michelin Rivera.
Champion is Mitch Rivera.